So Sarabjit, you have created a reusable Lightning Web component and you are using in that flow. So can you describe us how we can create it and how we can use it?
Okay, so I can start with I built this LWC star rating component so that we
Hmm.
can use LWC component in the flow.
Okay.
So the star rating component, so we can build a flow with the survey form, and where we can add a component LWC component to show the star rating. So we
Hmm.
can take the star rating from like 1 to 5 as a value, like how much star rating the person want to give for particular question.
Okay. So
So
in your Lightning Web component, what things you have done?
in Lightning component, we have like 4 files, like
Hmm.
HTML, CSS, and XML. But in
Okay.
XML, we define a one extra the target for the Lightning flow screen, and we need to define a one output variable property so that
Okay.
we can pass value of star rating to the flow.
Hmm. Okay.
So for that, we have declared a XML file in which we have targeted the variable property with
Okay.
particular so that this variable is only available for the output setting inside the flow. Okay,
Hmm.
and if we not define anything, like for example we are not defining the role here, so
Uh,
this we can use for like input and output in flow.
okay.
Okay, so to pass the value from flow, whenever he clicking on the star, we are
Uh,
using a JS file, and in JS file,
it's open already. This one.
let me open.
It's open already in the starting.
Let me open once again. Okay, so this is my JS file.
Hmm.
We need to pass the value to the particular flow whenever he is handling the HTML. Whenever I'm clicking on the star rating things, so it
Okay.
will call and the event will pass the value to the flow,
Hmm.
and we just need to import the event like this change event
Okay.
so that the value to the flow, we just need to dispatch the particular event. So we have
Okay.
like multiple event for the flow. If you go to the like Salesforce library, we have multiple flow like attribute change, back event, next event. If you want to click back, next, we can use this type of event in the flow through LWC component.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the thing how we are passing the value of star rating to the flow. Okay,
Hmm.
so now
In
I will
in
give you like example.
in
Uh,
HTML, what you have done?
in HTML, we have defined a radio input. Okay,
Okay.
from value 1 to 5.
Uh-huh.
uh, Once we click on any one of like this star rating,
Uh,
it will call like rating, and it
okay.
will to the flow what variable have we have assigned in the flow.
Hmm.
Okay,
So to
so
save these ratings, you have created an object, right?
yeah, for example we have like any survey form, we have like questions and answer we want to save in any object. So
Hmm.
through flow we can create that record, and we can pass the value star rating.
Can you show us that object?
Yeah. So this is the object I created like survey form,
Okay.
and waveform I have like created 2 fields, and that both field are like a text field like
Mm-hmm.
this one. So this is like my question, and this one. So whatever
Okay.
value he star rating he will give, the value will be saved in this particular.
In these particular fields.
Yeah,
Okay.
and
Now
let me show.
after creating that Lightning component, what are other things that we need to develop?
Yeah, so the thing is, the main thing XML file will define everything like so that it will we can use this LWC in the flow.
Okay.
Let me show you the like flow so that we can see how it will be working in the flow. Okay,
Hmm.
so in flow I'm just using like display what question you want to display here.
Okay.
and just drag and drop the LWC component. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Drag the component here, and whatever star rating he will give, it will store in this whatever variable you will take, and it will
Okay.
just value to this. When we click
How
on
we
any star
can
rating,
how we can create this variable like answer one?
you can just create, like whenever you want to select, you can just create a new variable from anywhere. Like here, you can just create a new variable like text.
Okay.
Any text variable you can create,
Mhm.
like anything.
Okay.
And once like he will select the answers like star rating, he will give the star rating. So
Mhm.
you can create a record of survey form like this. Okay.
Okay. So
Once you create,
you already map the variables with the fields.
yeah, I already mapped the answer, like one answer one to this particular question, answer two to this one.
Okay.
And example I will run, it will show you like this. Okay. Now if you see, question is display here, my star rating components are coming here.
Okay.
For example, I am giving 2-star rating for these questions, like rate our service, and like happy with the service, we can give like 4-star.
Okay.
Okay. Click next. So our record will be created in the backend. Okay.
Okay.
You see in the backend, the answer 2 value is 4 and answer 1 value is 2 rating. Okay.
Yeah.
Now if you open the record, so if you see the
Mm.
rating acted, like it's coming here.
Okay.
So like most of the people are want to use like this type of survey form, like so they can use this reusable star rating component flow.
Okay. That's great.
They can create a survey form.
Mm. So is there any possibility of okay, currently you are running using debug, right? So how we can use it inside any screen?
You can call this flow through any, for example, you want to call, you can call from the button, any
Uh-huh.
place. You can call this flow from the button also.
Okay.
Quick,
We need to create a quick action and that quick action.
yeah, quick action button. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. It was very useful. Thanks for